My name is Bayu Adiasa. I come from PT Gajah Tunggal. We are manufacturers in the automotive sectors, producing one part of the cars, also called the black donut or tires. Okay, so Gajah Tunggal, we are as a manufacturers, we are already in the industry for more than 70 years. Currently, we have more than 17,000 workers, employees, and we are producing total 143,000 tires per day. We have been exporting since 1990 to more than 130 countries in the world. So, Gajah Tunggal, we have a vision, like what Einstein said, sorry. Life is like riding a bicycle, where you have to move forward or you're gonna crash down. So as the manufacturers, we also have a vision that we have to grow. We have to develop as per the development, the technology of the market. So in 1951, we started as a bicycle tire manufacturers. And then in 1970s, we started to produce motorcycle tires in cooperation with IRC Japan. And in 1980s, we produced our own brand, Gajah Tunggal brand, for the commercial tires, which is also the start of our Gajah Tunggal brand. And in 1990s, we started to produce our passenger car tires, GT Radial, because Gajah Tunggal in an international speaking community, maybe a bit too long to say, so we shorten it to GT. So GT is actually Gajah Tunggal, GT Radial. And then our latest investment development is our TBR, truck bus radial tires, with our GT brand in 2010. Also with our own motorcycle tire brand called Xenios, which is focused for export market. So in the Southeast Asia, we are actually one of the largest integrated tire manufacturers with all of this complete range of products. This is just a bit of our factory view, 250 hectares with more than 5 plants on the west of Jakarta in Tangerang area. And we also have our products gallery showcasing our products, our history. Hopefully some of you guys can also visit us here during your visit. In terms of production, we have 4 main products. Passenger cars, we are producing 55,000 per day, or about in a year we are producing 14 million tires. Truck bus bias, we are producing about 3.5 million tires per year. Motorcycles, more than 32 million tires per year. And the latest investment, truck bus radial, about 700,000 tires per year, which is also one of our main products. Now we are exporting to European market. In terms of TBR, we are planning also, of course, to grow, but this TBR investment is a very heavy investment. Just for your, to have your idea, the investment in TBR, truck bus radial, it's 10 times of PCR. So to invest like 2,500 tires per day, it's like developing a 25,000 tires per day in the passenger car plant. So tires, we are maybe not in the cars components. Maybe we are not really as exciting as the the engine, the acceleration system, braking system. But actually, we are actually one of also the crucial components, because from all the components in the car, tires is the last one to touch the ground, or the only component to touch the ground. So we are putting a very heavy focus in our products because it's very related to the safety of the users. One of it is our GT Proving Ground. Sorry. This is like an outdoor test track where we can simulate all the conditions of the roads, from broken concrete, broken asphalt, even during the heavy rain, where there is a large amount of waters, even like we can simulate a very slippery condition on the ice. So this is a very big investment that we put because we want to ensure that our products has the quality and the safety for the users. This proving ground, we also put it in a strategic location in an industrial complex. Close to many car manufacturers. So the car manufacturers can also directly test their cars, their new prototype in our proving ground. And they are actually really appreciated because it helped them to fasten the development and the test for their new products. Currently in Indonesia, we already supplied to many of the car manufacturers. Majority of course, in Indonesia is Japanese cars, Japanese manufacturers. So in the passenger cars, commercial vehicle, and motorcycle tires, in all of the segment, we are actually one of the key market leaders in Indonesia. In terms of international certifications, since we have exported to more than 100 countries, 130 countries, we are very confident that we can penetrate all kind of regulation needed in the market. European labeling in Metro for Brazil, Middle East, SASO and GSO, and other countries' requirement. Global facilities, because we understand when we want to understand about the market, we want to know about the markets, we have to have a team that is situated directly in the market and understand the requirement. So let's say in terms of tire industry, actually you can say there are two main directions for development: European market and US market. European is very clear, very structured. The government is asking for a wet braking, noise, rolling resistance, using the non-carcinogenic oil, non-aromatic oil. And the other part is USA. They are very relaxed, maybe like a cowboy style. I only need the mileage, I only need the endurance, and if there is a safety issue, then I will sue you. So two different characteristics. In terms of exports, European is currently our second biggest region. This is our 2022 results for export, and European is 15% of our total exports. And of course, we are aiming to grow more, hopefully, with all of you guys here. We are there, we are joining all the many kind of sport activities across the world. And we are actually treating like these sport activities, this racing, drifting, like a sandbox. Because when you test the tires, the products during in extreme environment, we actually get a good results to know how is the characteristics of our tires and how is to improve our technology. So as tire manufacturers, we are producing a green tire. So maybe you are thinking, what is green about tires? So in a moving cars, actually there are three main components that the energy used. First is the wind force, where you combat it with the aerodynamic design of the cars. Then the friction inside the components. And the last one is the force to overcome the rolling resistance of the tires, which contribute about 40% use of the energy in the moving cars. So we as a tire manufacturers, we are trying to design the products that has a full efficiency that will also contribute to lower fuel consumption and release less pollutant particles. This is just to show you a bit of the awards that we have from Indonesia Brand Award, Priyamani Arta Award, and also in terms of sustainability. In 2022, EcoVadis is actually one of the biggest sustainability platform rating in the world. They are assessing many companies, and we are actually got the silver medal in the 88th percentile, which means we are actually 88% higher in sustainability rating compared to other companies in the world. Also in G20, we as a group actually being featured in the summit as one of the group that are capable in the environmental liability for carbon accounting algorithms, which we can detect, we can compute within all the complex manufacturing process, we can compute how is the carbon and emission released. So of course, like in one of our meeting with my international customers, they are saying, Gajah Tunggal, a sustainability process improvement is always a step-by-step process. Especially when you are a companies, you cannot take a shortcut, like you can take the cars or you can take the shortcut by plane. But that's not what happened in a factory, because you have to do it step by step, a lot of a complex process. But of course, our aim is always to improve and contribute back to the environment. Thank you very much.